Hello all. Today we'll see about how to perform keyboard actions in Selenium. To perform keyboard actions in Selenium, we have one special class known as action class. Using this action class, we can perform keyboard actions like Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, backspace, delete, tab. So many actions can be performed using actions class used in Selenium. Now what we'll do here, you can see that refresh this page and go back. Now this is my I'm using this page. Pass the username admin. Here you can see that the username is admin, password is admin123, admin123, and just log in. After this, go to my info. Now here you can see that the first name is already present and middle name is also already present. Now what I want to do is I just want to select all the content that is present in first name, then do delete, then same thing, select all the content from the middle name, then delete, send anything to the first name, then copy it, then paste it here in the middle name. After that, you can check whether the text that has been entered in first name is completely copied in the middle name or not. Now here you can see that using tab key I can come from this first name to middle name, right? For that also we have in action class we have one method that is send keys dot tab. Using that we will shift from first name to middle name. First we'll understand what we will do. Here you can see that this open the orange hrm, login, and go to my info. And after that in first name select the content, delete it, send new name. Let's say I'm sending Gauri. Now shift to middle name using tab key. Then in middle name, if there is middle name is already present, then select it, delete it, copy the content from first name that is Gauri and paste it in the middle name. These are the actions I want to perform using actions class. Now what I will do, I'll open my Eclipse and my Selenium practice. Here you can see that this is the Maven project. So here I'll create one class name. I'll name it as keyboard actions. Take the main method and finish it off. Now what I will do, I'll just copy these four lines to open the browser and to get the URL. Paste it here. Now go back and refresh. This is the URL I want. Copy the URL and paste it in driver.get. Now after this I'll pass some implicit weight. Driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly weight. Pass this as duration dot of seconds, and let's say 20 seconds. Now after this what I want to do, I just want to pass the username, spy this web element username. Here you can see that name is username. Copy this and driver dot find element by dot name and paste it here. And I want to send keys, that is admin Same thing I want to do with password. Driver dot find element by dot name. Now spy this web element password. Here you can see that name is password. Copy this and paste it here. Now after that I want to send keys. I want to pass admin 123. After this I want to click on login button. Just spy this button type will create one XPath button at the rate type equal to submit. Now copy this drive. I'll just maximize so that you people can see it clearly. Okay. Driver dot find element by dot XPath. Paste it here. Just I want to click it, right? Click. Save it. Here after admin 123, I'm doing it manually just to see. After doing this, I just want to click on my info button. So spy this my info. Span class is there. My info is there. So what I will do, span text is present. So span just text equal to my info is present. Copy this, paste it here. Now take this XPath and paste it here. Driver dot find element by dot XPath, and XPath is this dot click. Just to format this, Control Shift F. Now what I have done, I've just clicked on my info button. Now after clicking on my info button, I just want to spy this first name. Name is, here you can see that name is first name. So I'll just driver dot find element by dot name, and name I have copied, paste it here. So I name, copy the name here, that is name is first name. Copy it and paste it here. Now this is the web element. I'll name it as first name. Now import this web element. There is a shortcut, Control Shift O. Then same thing I want to do with middle name also. Middle name is middle name. So driver dot find element by dot name, just paste it here, name, and store it is an web element middle name. Now save this. Here you can see that after this, just I want to select the first name. For that, we have one special class in Selenium, that is actions. Act, name it as anything, actions act equal to new actions as the driver instance. Now import this control shift O. Now after this, what I want to do, I just want to, here you can see that. Mhm. I just want to select this, that is control A. Go back to Eclipse, that is control plus A. I want to perform this action, right? For that, we have some special methods. Act dot keys down, keys dot control. This is for this is for pressing the key. Now after this, I want to control A. So this is the alphabet, right? For that I have to use send keys in double inverted pass A. Now after this, I have pressed the key now here using key down method. Now I have to release the key. So for that we have one method called keys up, keys dot control. After this, we have to call the perform method to complete the actions, else the action class methods will not be completed. This perform method should be present after completing all your actions. This will perform the actions that we have created. Now here you can see that the control A is done. Now I want to delete this, right? For that, what I want to do, delete it, delete the content. For that we have hack dot send keys, hack dot send keys, keys dot delete. After this also have to call perform action, then only it will perform. Hack dot perform. Either you can use delete or backspace to clear the content. So send keys. Wait a minute. Okay. Here you have some backspace also. Just comment it so that you will get it. Just comment this also so that you'll get act dot send keys. Where it is, scroll down, send keys. Now what I want to, where it is, this keys dot backspace. Either you can use delete or backspace. Now right now I will comment this backspace and perform this. Okay, for deleting we have two methods, that is keys dot delete or keys dot backspace. Here you can see that for that first I have to click on first element, that is first name, right? For that I will, what I will do, first name dot click. After that control it and delete it. After okay, let's first run this code. My info, then delete. Here you can see that it is deleted. Now I want to send something here, so what I will do, first name dot send keys. I'll set it as Gauri. Right. Now what I will do, I have to shift to the middle name tab, middle name field. For that, we use tab key. Tab shift to middle name. For that, we have one method called act dot send keys. Keys dot tab. Then act dot perform to perform the action. Now after going to the middle name, what I want to do, again I want to control all the content that is present in the middle name. So copy this control A, and again after this I want to delete the middle name content that is present here. You can use copy this, just save this, and after that what I want to do, I want to copy the Gauri. So copy the Gauri. This is the control C action. For that you need to just change here control C. Now after that I want to paste control V. For that same methods, just pass V here. Save it. Now we will, here you can see that clear for the from the first name, select it, delete it, send the Gauri to the first name, then shift to middle name, then copy the content that is already present in middle name, that is control A, and delete it, and control C. Okay, that you have to copy these two lines. Wait a minute. What we'll do, I'll just here, this is the control C. Here you can see that I have sent the Gauri name. Before shifting to next tab, what I want to do, I want to select that, right? So control C, here control C. Before that I have to select Gauri. For that I have to use control A. Just copy this, paste it here, control A. After sending the first name, after sending the first name, I want to copy the first name, copy it, select the first name Gauri, then control C, copy it, then move to next tab, middle name tab, then whatever the content that is already present in middle tab, select all the content, then delete it, then control V, that is Gauri, paste it in the middle name. So now save this and run as Java application. Now my info. Here you can see that the first name also got deleted and the second name also got deleted, and Gauri has been sent to first name and same thing is copied to middle name. So this is how we can perform the keyboard actions in Selenium WebDriver using actions class. Here you can see that these actions act new actions, pass the driver instance and start doing the keyboard actions. Now if you see here, okay, here you can see that go to Orange HRM, login, go to my info. In the first name, whatever is the first name that is previously present, copy it, select it, then delete it, and after selecting and deleting, send the new name, that is Gauri. Then shift to middle name. Here after this we have to select it again, select the new name, copy the new name. And after that, shift to middle name using tab key, and if in middle name, if there is middle name already present, select it, delete it, and here you can just, we have copied here, right? Now paste it in the middle name. This is how these are the, wait a minute, these are the actions you have to perform. Here also we have done the same thing. Here this is for login and this is for my info. Then first name, middle name we have created, and we have used actions class to perform the keyboard actions, and selecting, deleting, and sending the new name to the first name, again selecting it, again copying it, shift to middle name, then copy the content that is already present in the middle name, delete it and paste it. Right, hope you understood the actions class. Any queries, comment it below. Please do subscribe my channel, share and like. Thank you, have a nice day.